Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to reset Universal Windows Platform apps on your Windows computer. These apps are the ones you usually install from the Microsoft Store, and sometimes they may need a reset if they're not working properly. Let's dive in and see how you can quickly fix them. First, let's open up Windows Settings. To do that, simply press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Apps to access the list of installed apps. Now go ahead and click on Apps and Features. This will show you all the apps installed on your system, including those from the Microsoft Store. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the Universal Windows Platform app you want to reset. For example, let's search for. Once you've found the app, click on it, and you'll see a few options. Select Advanced Options. Here, you'll see several settings related to the app. The option we're looking for is Reset. By clicking on this, you'll restore the app to its default settings, just like when you first installed it. Click the Reset button and you'll get a confirmation pop-up. It'll warn you that this will delete any app data, like saved settings or preferences, so make sure you don't have anything you need before proceeding. And that's it! You've successfully reset a Universal Windows Platform app from the Microsoft Store, giving it a fresh start. If the app was having issues, this should resolve most of them. That's all for today's video on resetting Universal Windows Platform apps. I hope this helps you fix any problems you might be having with apps from the Microsoft Store. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.